Hey traders, are you ready to start trading Forex but not sure which broker to trust? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create, verify, deposit, and withdraw from your XM Forex account with the latest updates, and most importantly, why XM is one of the best brokers out there. Use the official XM link in the description to create your account. Don't fall for fake websites, your safety matters. Let's get you registered. Account creation, registering. First, click the official XM link in the description. Choose your country of residence, then enter your email and create a secure password. Tick the box to allow marketing if you'd like, and then click register. Now check your inbox. XM will send you a verification email. If you don't see it, check your junk or spam folder. Once your email is verified, boom, you're in. Bonuses and promotions. Why sign up now? When you sign up using the official XM link in the description, you can unlock a no deposit bonus, start trading without risking your own money, a 100% deposit bonus, XM matches your deposit for more trading power, loyalty bonuses and special anniversary promotions, access to 100,000 plus monthly competitions and social copy trading. These promos are limited time, so don't wait. Profile verification, identity, and residency. Now click Verify Now to complete your profile. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth exactly as it appears on your ID. Enter your full address, including your street number, city, and postal code. Investor info, regulation requirements. Next, answer some simple investor questions required by financial regulators. How much do you plan to deposit yearly? What is your employment status? What is the source of your funds? Do you have prior trading experience? Select the most accurate answers. It's easy. Upload documents, ID, and proof of address. Now it's time to verify your identity. Upload clear, color images of your ID card, passport, or driver's license, both sides if needed. A proof of address document like a utility bill or bank statement issued within the last 6 months. Make sure the documents are clear and unedited. In accepted formats, JPG, PNG, PDF, below 5 megabytes in size. Once uploaded, click Submit. XM will review and verify your account quickly. Deposit funds funding your account. Next, let's deposit. Click Funding in the XM dashboard. Choose your deposit method, credit or debit card bank wire. Other local options depending on your region. Enter the amount, minimum 5 USD, and make sure the payment method matches the name on your XM account. Click Deposit, then Confirm to complete your payment. Tip: verified users can deposit larger amounts instantly. Withdrawal, accessing your profits. Once you've made profits, it's time to withdraw. Click Withdraw, choose your withdrawal method, and follow the instructions. Funds are usually processed quickly, and XM doesn't charge fees for withdrawals. Always make sure you're using the official link in the description for security. Why choose XM? Quick recap. So why do traders around the world trust XM? Licensed by top regulators, CySEC, ASIC, and IFSC spreads from 0.0 pips. Great for scalpers and day traders. No requotes, no rejections. Instant execution supports MT4 and MT5. Mobile, desktop, web checkmark, 1,000 plus trading instruments. Forex, crypto, gold, stocks, indices, checkmark, 24/7 multilingual support. And with my official link, you get bonus offers, support, and faster account setup. Ready to trade? Click the official XM link in the description to get started now. Avoid scams, unlock bonuses, and trade with a broker trusted by millions. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more real trading tutorials. Trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.